In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from Binance to bank account. For this, you need to involve another exchange like Coinbase. After installing it, create an account. Once it's done, open the Binance application. On the home screen, you will see different tabs. Tap on Trade. Then tap on the Convert option. At top, you will see the field for currency from which you want to send money. Select it as USDT. Then select the max amount. The below field is for the currency to which you want to convert the money to. After selecting the currency, select max amount for it. Once you have selected both the amounts and currency, tap on Preview Currency option at the bottom. A drop down will appear at the bottom. Tap on the Confirm option. Now go back to the home screen and select the My Portfolio option from the bottom. Here you will see your USD coin. Tap on it. Now tap on the Withdraw option available at bottom left. On the next screen, you will see the option to send USDC. Now minimize the Binance application and go to the Coinbase application. On the home screen, you will see a search bar at the top. Here, search for USDC. From the search results, tap on USDC. On the next screen, look for the Receive option and tap on it. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on Got it. On the next screen, right in front of your network option, you will see your network name like Ethereum. Tap on it. A list of different networks will appear. Choose the one that you want to use. Ethereum has slightly high charges, so it's preferred to select Polygon. After selecting the network, a pop-up will appear warning you that if you send crypto over the wrong network, you will lose it all. Tap on I understand option. Now scroll a little down and you will find address here. There is a copy icon available just beneath it. Tap on it to copy the address. Now come back to the Binance application from where we left earlier. At the top you will see the address field. Paste your recently copied address here. After that you will see the network field. Select your Polygon network here if you chose it earlier in the Coinbase. It should be the same in both places. Now enter the withdrawal amount. Then tap on the withdraw option at bottom right corner. On the next screen, tap on confirm. The USDC will be successfully transferred to Coinbase. It might take a few moments. After that, in Coinbase app, search for USDC. Then tap on the sell option. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. You can then select the place where you want to sell it to, like PayPal if you have a PayPal account. Otherwise, it can be your local currency like GBP. So after selecting it, tap on the review order, then tap on place order and tap on done. The amount has been now sold to GBP balance. Now last step is to send it from GBP to bank account. On the home screen, select the My Assets tab from the bottom. Scroll down and under the coins section, find and select your local currency. You will find the option of cash out. Tap on it. Now choose the amount of money you want to withdraw to your bank account. Below it, you will see an option for entering the payment method. Tap on it and enter your bank account details here. Once it's done, tap on the Preview Cash Out option. Confirm by finally tapping the Cash Out Now option. After that, the amount will be withdrawn to your bank account, and this is how you can withdraw from Binance to bank account.